Thanks, Sherry. All right, we're looking at rain all week and a heavy downpour coming soon. Back to you, Sherry.
We have reports that the rain coming soon is highly anomalous due to a containment breach spilling small amounts of HAZ487 into the air. The anomalous virus did not react normally. Instead of zombifying the infected, anyone that touches the rain/rainwater was mutated into a horror beyond human comprehension. Hazmat Inc. 91 representatives are hurrying to deploy STF Omega 2534 Firehawks to get civilians of the state of Nevada to a designated safe zone only reachable by helicopter. A pictogram of the entity will be shown so you know what to look out for. Stay safe and remember, protecting the world so there's still something to protect. May God watch over all of us.